So when it's time to cut your hole in the box, now our stock is 1.5 inches by 3/4. So it's good to have a centering ruler. And you can see this ruler has a 0 in the middle, and then I put marks at 3/4 and 3/4 out. So then you want to center it on your box. And if you look at this box, it's about 3 1/4, 3 1/4, and there's the middle. So I put marks down. And how deep do you go? Now, because this lid of this box is about 134 thousandths, then I need to take my neck and I need to notch it down. I need to take my neck and I need to notch it down that much because I want the lid of the box to be even with the fretboard. Now, so that's where my lid's gonna shut when it closes. So I'm going to come in about 1/2 inch and then I'm going to drop down 1/8 inch all the way back until I get to the piezo where the bridge is going to go about here, and I want my piezo under the bridge. And I'm going to cut an extra 1/8 inch of material out. And that is so to cut out rattle, because this wood is not going to be rattling against the lid of the box. And also the back angle. Now, this is what I say, 137 thousandths. And this is almost 10 inches. So the rule of thumb is 0.17 per inch. So if it's 10 inches of back angle, I need to take 1.17. What am I trying to say? 17 hundredths off. So I look at the angle here. I've added that much to it. And then I've drawn a diagonal line. And this is so that we will have a back angle. Now what the back angle does is it makes our box tip down a little bit. So then we put our bridge up, which is higher, and that makes it where our strings will go close down along our frets, and it will give us distance over here where our pick is not hitting our box because we have a bigger gap. So it accomplishes two things. Eliminates the pick hitting the box when we're playing it, and makes the strings go down over the frets more evenly. So there you have it, and I'm going to go and cut this. And it's also good to go ahead and cut this even before you fit it, make how deep your hole is in your cigar box, because I need the lid to sit on that. So I needed it to be this much shallower. So you can see I messed up here. I cut my hole the distance of the lid too deep. So I'll put a trim piece on there later. I can cover that, that's fine. But now I'm going to go and saw my neck.